central PIXIE control panel. It's pretty powerful. Nice feature of it is it goes to sleep. You come up close, you've got a proximity sensor, picks you up, picks up the photo. You can actually upload whatever photo you like to this. I've got one of myself and the family here. Does today's date, temperature, weather, and time. Now, the good thing I like about this, it's all in one, so everything comes to here. Basically like what you see on your smartphone, your app. For instance, if I go here to my living room, my fan now is in this app. Same thing you'd see on your phone. I can now turn it on and off from here. I can go summer or winter. I can use the timer functions and the full speed control. Previously, I would need 2 different remotes, a few different controllers here. This just integrates everything to the one easy solution. If I come back here, I've also got my RGB bookcase. I can do all the different scenes and scenarios. I can adjust the speed of them. I can adjust the color through the color wheel just by touching it. And then also the dimming. Good feedback, easy to use, good to touch, all the different colors. So the good thing about this being a central control is in the future, I'm going to be adding electric blinds. After I add the blinds in, I don't need to add additional switches. It can all come through this central control. The other good thing about the PIXIE is it integrates with SONOS. So I've got SONOS speakers. I've actually got the IKEA ones, which are collab with SONOS. And then I've got a multifunction switch here. This multifunction switch, I can program it to do many things. I've used it here for my SONOS to control it. For 1 push, turns it on, 2 pushes, like a double tap, does the next track, twist it to the right, music up, twist it to the left, music down. Easy to use, powerful, good for the kids, don't need to actually have to have an app on their phone. They like to play with it, and it's a good talking feature of the house. So I've used a tunable LED strip here. Generally, rule of thumb for us in domestic is always warm white. But applications like this for kitchens, makeup, everything in that scenario where you want good color reproduction and you want a task light, tunable is very good for that reason because it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it's a functional light. Now, if I want to go back to finish prepping in the kitchen, we're going to chill now, I just say, hey SIRI, chill. This will change to warm white, turn the lights off to my scene, and then it's a nice ambient lighting and sets a better mood. Hey SIRI, bye.